What is up, guys? We are back with another reaction. I know I haven't came out with a reaction in a while. I've been pretty lazy. So we got Camden 5 in the Louisiana. Um, I'm a big fan of the Louisiana, Big Lou. I'm just gonna put this out there right away. I do this live, so my first reaction. So I only make one cut of these. So when I mess up my words or I say things wrong or and you think it's funny, write them in the comment and make fun of me. Okay, let's start it.
Start to build up the benefits in there.
Now, he's with, I believe he's with Tanner and Shaharu. Shaharu, I don't exactly know what ship he's in. It looks like, I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe the Alaska W? Is there even an Alaska W? There's not an Alaska W.
That's true.
Main broadside.
That's something to consider.
I'm not sure what type of build he's got. He's running three
I see
heels.
it on the corner
Maybe
of
he's
Tanner and
got
Shaharu.
Azerlane, New Jersey on.
Otherwise, I feel like we're gonna constantly have to
There's
switch
one
up the
Citadel,
builds.
one shot,
And I'm not knocking anyone for it. I mean,
26,000 right off the
builds
rip.
get bigger.
He's definitely running Arthas because he popped his catapult fighter before he shot the main. Now, I like this call because he's got nothing else spotted and nothing else in his torpedo range. So that Brisbane is in his range, so he's going to go ahead and
Brisbane.
throw those torpedoes out at him.
Yep. Oh, yeah, got him. Ooh,
How
Citadel.
is that? How is that destroyer spotted?
He had to push up and dodge my troops.
Maybe he's spotted by the other DD pushing him in B, I
I had a
believe.
crazy game in this thing. Was it yesterday, the day before? 250 something thousand. Almost won it.
That's chump change.
Teammates.
250,000.
Teammates made sure to throw hard.
That's chump change. I'm just kidding. That's an impressive game, 250. Maybe this game will be even more. Because you know what, chat? He didn't send me the
Yeah, that was
250,000 game. He sent me this one.
some XP on a loss. That was so sad.
Maybe he didn't save the game, though. So I don't think there's anybody at A.
It's right there.
The Brisbane and the main. Yeah, the main went over to the middle cap. They got 4 DDs each. Let's pause this for a minute. Never mind, let's not. I didn't get to my mouse fast enough. Temp. I don't know if it's the same temp that I know. Could be. The Z52 takes out the Grober. Damn. See, he's got nothing spotted for those torpedoes in his range, so he's going to get rid of them.
No, 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 no. I'm
He's
talking
going
about
to get rid of them
broadside.
quickly so they come back.
I'm sorry.
Montana is turning broadside. He does have Arthas popped. Yep, it is the Alaska.
Brisbane. Bro, all these guys are coming around the same freaking way.
Oh, he didn't get any shots on that Montana. That's a shame. So Tanner's going to be chasing the DD. I think it was a gearing up there. I really should pay more attention what's spotted. I'm mostly paying attention. Obviously not the fucking game. Okay, there's one pen. He's at 55,000 damage already. Brisbane is in the middle cap. Looks like in the B cap, his destroyer and his cruiser are playing Ring Around the Rosie. Brindisi kills their Shima. So now they're already down 3 ships.
They're trying. They're doing ring around the rosy with fucking Brisbane. He's gonna dump torpedoes on him.
Yes, they are. I'm not good at aiming those torpedoes that well. There's those tricky ones like he just put out right there. It's gonna make the Brisbane just run right into the island. But there's really no there's nobody at D that can even shoot him. What is that? They're Carl. Yeah, their friendly Carl might be throwing it. Tanner found the DD cam, take shots at him. This is a what is that? That's a 5-bar gearing.
Gearing pretty good.
Good pens. 3 over pens, 4,500 off him. Brisbane still rolling around broadside. Kind of broadside. I don't know if he knows Cam is there. He's got to know that he's there. It's 10,000 with 3 pens. All 3 pens connect. It's a 4-barrel on the back, so 3 out of the 4 connect.
Oh Lord.
So their DD on D is getting ran down. Yep. Carl goes down. We're at 4 versus an entire team. Down goes the Brisbane.
Couldn't hit him over that island.
4 versus oh geez, now it's the 3 amigos. Could this really be a comeback game that he sent me? Down goes the main.
All we gotta get is Tanner to defend us from all the DDs and move on.
Simple as that. Simple as that, Tano.
Literally all of them. In case
He's gonna get that third turn into order. Doesn't have Arthas anymore. He is broadside. Got all 6 torpedo hits.
Buddy boy, you got nailed.
He only got 2 pens on that.
I don't have any shots. I'm coming on that side of the island to help you.
So he's at 133 right now, and still they only killed 2 ships on the other team. It's 619 to 194. Tanner's going to take down the gearing. What is Tanner in? Tanner's in the daring. Okay. Montana's left. Montana's heading over to with his other people, and
They got those 2 DDs off to your right.
all these 3 guys have good health still, so they could still bring this back. But I mean, 3 DDs. Tanner's got half health. Shaharu's on good health. But you're definitely not going to win a one-on-one gunfight with a DD. Tanner needs the support of his buddies. I don't think they're going to be winning on points on this one. Who's that? That's the Montana still spotted. Shots at the Brindisi. Let's see what this does.
I'm gonna try to help you in Brindisi here. Yo, City, smoke up, yeah.
He's got 2 legendaries and 4 epic mods on. I think that's artillery plotting room.
4 hits, 5, 6 hits.
All 6 connect to Montana. Shahar running into the cap with sonar. Spots the Lucian. Ooh. He's lucky. But we have another cruiser. What is this? It's the Alaska. He shot a little too quick. I don't know what this one's going to be. I would have taken my time for Grumpy Dwarf in the Alaska. 2 pens. Nice.
Keeps pushing, I'll catch him. I'm just watching your left flank right now, Charlie. I'm not letting him come around the other side. Oh, hell yeah.
Brindisi gets spotted going broadside. Oh. This is the thing when there's so much to shoot at. There's so many targets that like look juicy, but he makes the right decision on taking that Z52 shot.
Z52 pretty hard too.
So Sahara's gonna pull around and probably get a one-on-one with the Z52. Cam's gonna try and take down this Montana. Yep, Shahar takes out the Z52. Nice. Tanner's in his smoke shooting. He's got the daring, so it's a good fire starter if he's got smart. He missed him with his torps, but he might get that cruiser in the back. No, I don't think so. I wouldn't. I don't like this play. I wouldn't go show that much angle. Nice. There's the rear turret. Well, there was his only threat, pretty much, to smack him.
Shahar, I'm gonna need your help, dude. Okay.
Oh, we're already at 213,000 right now. Damn. Surely this Alaska can't keep getting this lucky. The rear turret of justice sets off and finds its mark. Brindisi's going to learn today.
Alright. If you can fight him, I'm gonna focus Brindisi right now. I'm pushing your way, though. Okay.
He's probably thinking, probably torps are coming from that Brindisi. Yep. Yeah, Tanner definitely needs help with the steering. With the help that he's got, there's one thing Cam is good at, and it's hitting a DD with some torpedoes.
they're gonna miss him.
Are they? Are they going to miss him?
Sorry, man. I tried.
Maybe if you looped back around.
Pushing forward. I'm trying to help Char and Brindisi. You think you got Brindisi? Or...
Yeah, I think Shahara can handle that. Oh, Daring's down to
gun, maybe?
that rear gun has been doing him a lot of favors this game, so
I gotta watch out. I'm getting Brindisi torpedoes too. Oh, I didn't flip. Alright, I'm gonna stick to helping Tanner if you think you got him. Yes, sir.
there we go.
Okay, you can back off. We'll win on oh no, we need one more cap.
Yeah, I was gonna say you're not gonna win on points at this
Right,
rate. You guys need to. You got 3 minutes to track down this DD.
I'm not in front of the island yet. I'll let you know when I'm spotted.
Shahara probably has one radar still.
Spotted.
Cam is spotted. This is for Cam's Kraken.
If you got a radar.
I don't think Shahara can even reach that far with a radar. If this well, either way, Shahara's going to go into D by the, I think they might catch up on points. I don't know. See, these games that people send me, they're so close that it's tough for me to do math and commentate at the same time. And there we go. He's spotted. Oh, yeah, he fucked up. He should have just kept running. Can Cam get this for his Kraken? Those are looking really spicy.
Let's go!
Whoa. Whoa.
What a fucking comeback, boys. It's like 3 against like 6 or 7.
It was against fucking 9, man. It was against 9. 241. What's that XP? What's that XP? Let's go back.
Let's go!
37-76. Damn, that's a good game. They all had good game. They all carried the team. I mean, look at everybody who was on their team. I appreciate you, Cam, for sending that in. So if you guys have a great video, send that over, and I'll feature it on the channel. Give Camden a like and subscribe. He doesn't have any subscribers right now, so let's get him a couple. All right, see you guys later.